Hey guys, how's it going? Today I will be starting the first video of a series I'm planning to do. It will be a build series with two goals. One, to completely give a new look to my new project I bought, and two, to hopefully get the project road legal and go through the process to kind of give you guys an idea of how to do it. I've never done it myself, so really it's going to be a bit of a lesson for everyone. Okay, so story is I got rid of the Derby, the red motorbike you see in the other video. I got rid of that and I didn't realise how much I was going to miss it, so I ended up picking up a bike that was needed a bit of work, and I will now show you that. Okay guys, so that's the pit bike I picked up. It's a 125cc or 125cc engine. It's a Leaf-on and it's a 2011. It's had a bit of roughness thrown into it, but it's a good little bike, has some fun in it. I got it with no exhaust and it had a snap stud, no rear brake. It was a bit of a mess, a few other things, so I had to take the carb apart, give the carb a clean because that wasn't running right either. And then got a new exhaust for it. But there's a lot more to be done, and this part of the series will be basically what the idea will be of this part is to dismantle the bike and possibly start to prep it. But as far as I know, for today I'll maybe just get time to disassemble it, take it all apart, and then later on, maybe tomorrow, the next video will be up, and I'm hoping to have this one up today, but this next video will be sanding it down and getting it ready for painting. Okay, so let's get started with taking apart the bike, and I will see you guys soon. Right, okay, so a few hours later and we are done. Wouldn't have been that long for you, but that's the frame, swing arm, back wheel, plastics, exhaust, engine, brakes, tank, shock, everything. So that's the bike disassembled, and tomorrow we'll be back to start prepping the bike for painting. See you later.